One of the things that I love about these meetings, State of the Industry, it gives us an opportunity to connect with our peers, our ministers, and really to share ideas.
Every time the CTO gets together and we are able to meet our colleagues, we have a lot to discuss. There's always a lot to talk about, collaborate.
CTO is a must in the Caribbean region, and Tobago is happy to have a seat at the table. It's only love. What you have is, even though individual destinations have their goals and their targets that they want to meet, what you get from CTO in particular is that everybody wants to help each other achieve those goals.